Hello everyone, I'm Gavin from Make Use Of, and I'm going to quickly show you how to install the Fortnite beta launcher on your Android device. First up, you need to head to the Epic Games site on your mobile, hit the Epic Games link to start the download, and when it downloads, hit the open button. The warning tells you that your device doesn't allow the installation of unknown apps from this source, so hit Settings, then Allow from Source, then the back button. Next up, hit Install and let the APK install, which can take a moment. When it's done, hit Open and let the launcher configure. When it loads, you'll have to grant it access to your media and storage, after which the download and installation process will begin. This takes a moment, so you can browse up and down the launcher and check out the Fortnite on Android specifications. Thanks for listening, guys.